Guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel once again. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Faith. All I do here is testing and reviewing an app where you can earn extra income online. Anything earning app, I bring it here to share, such as live streaming app, survey app, any gaming earning, I bring it to here to share anything I'm doing. This is what I bring it here to share and share my honest experience, what works for me and what didn't work for me. In today's video, I'm going to talk about YaMeet Live. Some of my students have been saying this app to me, Faith, I want to download this app. I don't know how it works. I decided to download this app and go to the app and know what this app is all about. Because anything I'm not doing, I'm not comfortable bringing it out. I will make sure I download the app before I come up to my review. Okay, so disclaimer, this video is based on my personal experience using YaMeet. I have not withdraw any money yet, so I cannot guarantee earning. Please use this app at your own risk. Don't spend unless you are fully understand how it works. Okay, make sure you do your own research very well before downloading this application, because this is actually my honest experience I'm going to be sharing about this app. Do your own research more. Without wasting much of your time, guys, I'm going to show you process by process how you can actually sign up here on the app Withdraw. I'm going to make sure I covered everything here on this video. Right now, you can go to the Play Store or Apple Store. If you does not see it on your phone, I'm going to be putting the link down on the comment section of this video, okay? So go and download it and sign up here. Actually going to go ahead and sign up with my Google account, okay? So you can see you can actually use your Google to sign in here. And I'm actually looking for the email I want to use to sign up here. So right now I'm going to be covering things here because of my security reason here. Okay, so you can see that complete your information. Note, you need to have your invitation code. If it does not have invitation code, you cannot be able to sign up successfully on this app. Pay attention. I'm going to be putting invitation code here. Okay, invitation code I'm going to put here, it is not my. I'm going to go ahead and select a more random invitation code here, because I just found out that without invitation code you cannot be able to sign in. You can see user ID. This is my ID. You can actually put it as well. Okay, so I'm going to post this video now, and you need to add your date of birth. Okay, so you can see that it needs to be from 20 years and above before you can able to sign on this application. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select the date of birth. So just make sure from 18 years and above. Okay, so let me pick my date of birth. Okay, now I've put it already. You can see that after you put invitation code, you cannot be able to continue because you don't have invitation code. Very important. I'm going to go ahead and post it, and as I said before, I selected random code. Okay, so you can see that you will go through the face verification process. Now you need to do your face verification. Without you doing face verification, you cannot be able to control the process. Okay, so they want to know if you are a real person or not, so you need to go ahead and click on go verification. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start my verification process here. So you can see center your face, then you need to put your face on the circle. Okay, as you can see, move closer. So if you open it, they're going to be directing you. All you need to do is for you to follow the instruction they're going to be giving you on the face verification process. As you can see, I already passed the verification process. Now you need to put your profile. Okay, without you adding this your photo here, you cannot be able to continue the process. Now I'm going to go ahead and search the photo I want to use here. So, and I'm going to be covering my gallery here for my security reason. Now I've already picked the the photo I want to use. You can see, make sure you put photo that is okay, no boring on the picture. Make sure you put the picture that is clear. Okay, if you put blurry picture here, they're not gonna accept it. Okay, that is the fact about this app. Okay, so I'm actually looking for the photo I want to use here on the app. Okay, so let me just know if I can pick this one. Okay, let me pick this one. As you can see, I just selected this one and it's actually loading. Then I need to go ahead. It has complete as my profile. Now, I even thought that if I add one profile picture, I can continue the video, but I noticed that you need to add the 4 albums here before I can continue the video. I need to go ahead and select more photo of myself here, but to make sure the photo you are going to add here is your real picture. Okay, do not use AI generated picture, because if you use AI generated picture, you cannot be able to continue the process. Okay, because you are the real person that did the verification. They need the real person on the photo. Okay, without them recognizing you, you cannot be able to continue the process. Okay, as you can see, I've added my photo here. It remains two, so I'm still looking for another picture that I can use that is not AI generated. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. Okay, I have uploaded this one before, but I think they have rejected it because it has already existed on the platform. Okay, I need to go ahead and select another one. Now let me select this one and do what they're gonna say. It has started uploading. I think this one is going to go. Okay, as you can see, successful. It remains one for me to complete the verification process to continue this video. Pay attention here, because if you're not paying attention here, don't tell me that it stop on the process. So just make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Okay, so anything I'm teaching, I do it process by process so that you can actually understand how you can able to go about it. Okay, so you can see, notice, this is how you are going to see once you complete the verification process. As you can see, turn on your show, and that is the notification process. So you can see, congratulations, you have completed your facial verification, and this is the newbie task you're going to do here on the app. You can see task 1, watch the full video tutorial. So if you want to know how this app works more, you can actually go and watch videos about this particular one. Okay, you can see complete 0/30 match course, including 0/10 course lasting over 60 seconds. You need to go on matching course, which I'm going to be showing you how you can able to do that. Okay, what you need, then you need to claim your check-in reward. That is very, very important. Anytime you log in on this platform, they're going to be giving you check and reward. You can see this is actually my profile picture, how it looks. As you can see, I've not started working here, I just signed in. Okay, so now you can see video call price. Okay, as you can see, 60 minutes video call, then you're going to receive 60 diamond. Let me just put it on diamond because I don't actually know I don't know if it is grams. I don't really know, but I'm going to find out more about this particular, the name of this thing they are using here. Okay, so you can see that, as you can see that this price is actually higher than others. Okay, all you need to do is to put it on the 60 diamond. Okay, let me just put it on this way. You can see that you can actually share the links, and when your friend download it, you can able to get something. Now they are going to ask you quiz. You are going to be still in here, but you need to be very comfortable answering this. You can see English skill quiz. How is your English? How good is your English? As you can see, can you understand simple word? And all you need to put, select any one you want, but make sure you select the correct answer here. Then you're gonna earn the reward here on the app. Okay, you can see also to which I'm going to be shedding more light about it. Now you can see that you can see video call earning recharge user recharge income, like if you invited someone and the person recharge, which I haven't recharged yet, okay, because I cannot even tell you what I have not yet do, okay. I have not yet recharge. If you go to the app, you can still be chatting. Do not rush to recharge, okay, because I don't really know how the recharge part works, okay. So now you can see that matching, okay. I said to show you guys how it actually works, but it went black because of security reason, okay. So it actually went black when I put my face for me to show you guys how you can able to go matching. But once you click on the matching system, you're going to be meeting different people. All you need to do is for you to place your face on the camera, okay, without you putting your face on the camera, without you talking to someone on this app, you cannot be able to earn. Maybe you match with someone, you're talking with someone and you hide your face, you cannot be able to earn. If you position your face very well, talk with someone, that is where you're going to earn. But if you're not, like if you're not putting your face on the camera, maybe you take your phone away when answering call, you cannot be able to earn. That is what I'm actually reading for you guys here. But after I record this video, I noticed that that place I'm actually reading went black because of security reason, okay. I've actually put my face here, but it went black for a security reason. And I'm actually reading the policy, what they tell you to do in order for you to earn. This is the reason why I'm explaining this now, so that when you go there, you cannot be, so that when you're talking with someone, if you remove your face from the camera and later you come up on your earning and you notice that your earning is not increasing, do not blame the app, because they're going to warn you when you open the match, okay. Make sure you read the policy very well, okay. You can see level by level. Once you keep on earning diamond, you're gonna be upgrade here, okay. So you can see that they have matching record, blacklist, like anything you want to do here you can actually do it as well. So let me just go ahead, and if you want to become agency here, I am not an agency, I'm just chatting, reply message. You know that you can actually reply message on this app and earn, and also in a video calling with friends, okay. So that is where you're gonna earn. But for, as you can see, host and agency policy, as you can see, Newbie tax 2 to complete one of your 3 verification tasks, reward 500 diamond, okay. You can see that, see the host and agency policy. Make sure you read the policy very well. I cannot be able to read all of them. You can see that, you can see video call history here, which when I actually click on matching, I start matching with people, different people here on this app, okay. You can see the withdrawal option. You can see 1000 diamond is actually $1, which, as you can see from the newbie task I'm doing now, I have earned some diamond, okay. You can see withdrawal option, okay. They're going to give you an instruction, withdrawal instruction. You can see withdrawal is available only when your balance is 11,000 diamonds. As you can see, transfer may take 1 to 3 business days, which you can actually read the instruction here, so that maybe you will request for withdrawal and you does not see it for 1 day or 2 days, so that you will know what they actually tell you about it, okay. Read the withdrawal information very well. That is the most important things here. You can see that you can select the country you're from. So now you can see that Nigeria, you can use USD to withdraw, and then you withdraw is actually Binance, okay. It's Binance USDT. If you don't know how to create Binance account, I've actually made a video how to create it, which I'm going to be putting on the description of this video. I'm going to be tagging the video down on description, okay. Watch it and know how you can create a Binance verified account, whether you're from Nigeria or any Africa country, any country you're from. I do it step by step how you can actually create it successfully, because I have it and I'm actually making use of it. It is very, very important for you to have Binance account, okay. Now you can see USDT fee is 4%. You can actually put your number if you're from Ghana, you can put your number if you're from Nigeria, you can put your number when you want to withdraw here. Now all you need to do for you to follow the information they give you on the withdrawal process so that you'll be successful withdraw. Note, I haven't withdraw yet, so I haven't know how the withdrawal take, but I'm just doing this based on my personal experience and what people actually asking me. But for me, the interface is very okay. I have not seen anything wrong. As I said before, I have not seen anything wrong, and I'm actually testing it right now. And anything that come up, I'm going to be sharing more about this app. If I cash out, I'm going to be sharing more about this app. Okay, so you can see that matching. Okay, you can go to matching and start matching with people. Like I said before, make sure you read the policy on the matching before you can start. You can see that this is the daily tax you're going to do for you to be unlocking this. Okay, the more you do taxes, the more you unlock reward here on the app. You can see matching during the prex hours for 3 hours. You're going to be earning reward. The platform is going to reward you. As you can see, post a moment, you're going to reward you. Okay, after this, I'm actually going to post a moment. As you can see, upload video, you're going to earn reward. Okay, upload 3 album, you're going to earn. So all you need to do is to follow the instruction and continue the process. You can see chat to earn diamond. So if you chat with users, you're going to earn diamond here. If you do a matching, you're going to earn diamond here. Okay, so this is how this work. For my own experience, I have not seen anything wrong on this app. Now if you want to try it out, you can actually go ahead and try it out. If I want to withdraw, I'm going to update you guys soon. Thank you so much, guys.